Welcome to VJIMAGICA. Today we are going to see how to remove the shadow of a character with using the Nuke, with using nodes, 2D tracker, Roto Paint, that is clean plate. So let's start. Here is the original footage. Let me just show you. Here is the original footage. Now we have to remove this shadow of the character. Here is the output result. This is the output result. You can see here no shadow is here. So let's jump into the tutorial. Let's take first the read node. Open the file. I have here JPG sequence here. Here, this is the sequence. Let's open it. Press 1 to view. Let's take viewer node here. Click on the read and press 1 to view it. Okay. Check your project settings. It will keep it on HD. Add reformat node to apply that size settings to your video. Reformat node. Here it is. Is it here? Okay. First we will take the clean plate and then we will add the tracker. Okay, let's add Roto Paint node. That is Roto Paint. Here it is. Okay. Connect it here. View it by pressing 2. You can switch both. I hope it is visible to you and the screen is properly clear. View it by pressing 2. We are going to remove the shadow using the clone tool here. Clone. Okay, press Ctrl to get the source and leave it here so you can paint here like this. I hope this will get clear. It gets confusing at the start how to clone. Just press Ctrl where you want to get the source and drag it and it will do its work. Fine. I think this is no. Okay. Okay. Now we have removed the shadow. Go for the minute details as you can. Okay. Here we have removed the shadow. Now we have to hold this frame for the entire footage. So let's add the frame hold node here. Double click on it. Just mention the frame number. For my footage it's 1001. Okay, so here it is. Okay, now we have to mask this. Add the roto node. Yes, roto node, not roto paint. Keep it in mind. Now we will create the mask. Click on here. Go Bezier. Go here. Okay, here. Okay, make it like this. Make it side. Now we need to merge these two frames. Add merge node. Connect it here for background and this is the alpha. View it. Okay, just change it. B means for background and A is for foreground. Keep it in mind. For merge node, make it masks. Okay, this is the clean plate. This is called clean plate. Remember this. Okay, now we will add. Now let's just track the footage. Okay, we will do it. Tab, tracker, connect it here. Now search for the points. We can add these five white dots for the tracker. We hardly need 2 points. I think two tracker is sufficient for this. You can add as many as you can. For clear tracking, you can add also the create node to make footage more clear, so it will properly track. Increase the black point. View this node. Okay, okay, this is sufficient. Double click on this. Click on this plus icon to add track points. Now let's just. I think that was good. Okay, let's take this point. First click on tracker, add plus, then click here, make it small, and here it is the play button. Make sure you are on the first frame while playing. Click on this and let's play. Now here you can see how the track is going. Okay, you can also check it by frame by frame. Okay, it is going good. You can adjust it. Adjust it manually. You can choose another point to get the perfect track. Try multiple points and check which one is doing better. Okay, okay. I hope you all are familiar with the Nuke already, so you know the workspace, navigation, and all that. Okay, make it manually and do it properly. So here is our first point. Let's choose the second one. Let's choose this white one. Okay, click on this. Let's play. You see here I am on last frame. Go to first frame, click track, and let's again add the track. Click on plus icon and let's play the track. Okay, this is going good, I think. Okay, this is going good. Okay, fine. This is going good. No need to adjust this. Now let's turn on the transform. This is the rotation and this is the scale buttons. Okay, let's on that. Now we need to add this track information for our clean plate we make. First of all, change here to match move and click on create. What is this one? Okay, this nodes. Okay, here we have get the information for our tracker. Add it here. Now we don't need this one, so let's disconnect it. View this one. Now you can see how the our clean plate is moving with the footage. So we need to merge these two. Add the another merge node. Okay. Now move the long one. Connect it here. Now we need the background of our original footage and foreground of this. Let's see how it's going. This is due to the alpha. Okay, let's double click on this and turn on auto alpha. Now you can see the shadow is gone. And let's play the footage. Okay, here we can see how our clean plate is totally fitted into the video. Now the problem is the legs are going behind our clean plate. So the solution is for that, making the roto of the legs and then merging these two nodes. Okay, let's see how it works. Add the roto node by pressing O or tab. You can do. Connect it here. This one will be here. And now we need to track this. This is the most useful work in Nuke. This is really the work in Nuke to roto the character things. So let's start it. I will make the rough roto, but you just make it properly. You can make it for two legs. Okay, we will make it for two legs. This is the first one, and for another leg we will create another one. Add the minimum points as you can, so while animating you will not get so many points to animate. It will save your work. Fine, we need only the legs. Let's go to the frame number 10. Move this, go to transform. First we will move this here, move this here, move the points down. I think you can do this. To smooth out the point, press G, so it will smooth it out by adding handles to it. This will not create problem. We just need the bottom part of the legs, as we will merge this original footage also. Let's go to frame number 120. This. Okay, light is gone here, but no problem. We will continue. Okay, let's make it here. Okay, I think you can do this manually by go to 130 frame, move it here, roto this, and after doing the 140, 150 and 160, go by one frame and animate the points. Not animate, move the points. Okay, move those points, see how it goes. Okay, I will take my already rotoed node, this one. Okay, I will take it here. I will delete this one and add it here. Okay, now we have the roto here. Now we need to merge these two by pressing tab, merge. Okay, now here the foreground will be this roto information we have did, and the background will be this. So by viewing this, okay, what's the problem? I think this. Okay, go here, mask. Okay, now it's looking. Let's play the footage. See how it is going. Still, it is not doing it. Let's see what is the problem here. Format. Here, roto mask merge over. Okay, we need to add one more merge node here. Add this one here. Okay, bye. Okay. No problem. I think somewhere we have missing the pipeline here. Framework, Roto Paint, merge mask. Clear over mask over. Okay, I think we are good, but what is going on here? Let me see. Okay, this is due to, I think, auto alpha is on. Here we have the alpha one. I have the mask one. Let's play the footage one more time. I think somewhere is the wrong one. Okay, we need to add the mask here. Here is the background, here is the foreground. Okay, now we will get this one. Now playing, we can see how the legs are not going through the plate. The problem, no, not problem, the mistake is here. I have not connected the background to our merge node, so we can merge our roto information and our original footage information of legs into one mask node. Make sure to make the mask here, and then I'm adding another over node. So here is the background. Let me view this. Here, what we have did first, the legs are going down, the legs are going behind the plate. So we added the legs information over here. So we now have this one. The legs are properly here. The shadow is gone, and we are ready to for rendering this out. We will add the right node. Just add it. Double click on it. Here under the file, choose the folder you want. Add this new folder. Okay, name it. Name the file. Okay, I will name it randomly. For adding the JPG sequence, okay, Roto, press dot and 4 times hash, so it will render out your sequence properly. Save it. Here is the file type. Choose the file type PNG. You can also choose it by pressing here .png. Okay. Now here is the render button to render it out. Choose the frame numbers. Click on OK. This will take a little bit time. Till then, let's watch again our pipeline, how we are doing this. First we add the footage, then reformat it. Don't forget to change the settings by pressing S here. You will get here size information. Okay, after adding reformat, we added the roto. In this roto, we create the clone of this part to here over the shadow, and by then we added the frame hold to hold that frame throughout the footage. Then we add the mask here. The mask is for rotating out this part, so we will place it over the footage. Then we place it over, so we get this thing. Okay. After adding this transform node comes from the tracker. We add this, we place the track points here. We track it by pressing here play button here. This is here. And after it we add change. Don't forget to change this to match mode and then create. We get this node, add this node behind this, merge our footage and this node, so we will get this thing. Our roto is over the footage, but the problem is legs are going behind the roto, so we again created the roto information of the legs here, merge it with the footage. While rotoing, connect this node to the reformat, so you will able to see this. Okay. After adding merge node, we merge this legs roto information with our this node, so we will get the final output here, where the legs are properly placed on the ground and we have removed the shadow of character. Then we render out the frames. For rendering out in MOV, remove this .png. Okay, and you can type here .mov. This will automatically get changed, and then click on render and make sure to choose your folder here. Okay, this is for today's tutorial. Thank you guys. Please subscribe our channel to motivate me